Hey all, unfortunately got a nail in my tyre, so I'm going to repair that. I thought I might as well show you in case you haven't seen it before. So I was riding along and the bike felt really funny in the back, sort of sliding out a bit. So just checked the tyre and the air was right down. Then put this on the stand and found the nail. So I'm going to repair it now. So the first thing we do is we drop out the air. Seems like there's no air bubbles. Can't see anything bubbling, so I think the plug is good. And once we ride the bike and it heats up, it'll even vulcanise and make it a better seal. Thanks for watching.